Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's video, I am doing this like festive glam purple look. I was gonna do like a pride look, but I couldn't really come up with a look, so we're gonna do that for the next video or sometime this month. But this is the look that I came up with, and if you guys want to see how I create it, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm taking these purple shades in the palette. I'm showing you guys up front just because I didn't want to keep switching back and forth showing you every single shade. So I'm going in with this like purpley pinkish shade as the crease, and then I'm going in with this light purple shade, blending that in with the pinky purple, and yeah, just going back and forth with those two shades. And then I'm going to be picking up this deeper purple, which is more of like a true purple but not too dark, and I'm blending that up into the crease, and then I'm taking my fluffy brush and just blending out the edges as seamless as possible. That's what I meant to say. After I do that, I'm then going to be applying black, but not too much black, to deepen up the outer corner, give it that smoky effect. You literally just want to tap like the black shade, and that's it. My black shade in the palette is super pigmented. I can't even talk. I'm like pigmented. And I'm blending out the edges again, and then I'm taking this other purple shade, blending that into the darker purple, and then reapplying the dark purple on top, then reapplying some black, and bringing all the colors back. Because if you haven't noticed, when you add another color on top of another color, it kind of loses the previous color, so you kind of just want to keep reapplying and blending. And now I'm taking this shimmery lavender color, putting this on the outer corner, bringing it into the center. And now we're gonna work on the glitter. So now I'm using my Stila glitter or liquid shadow, and this is in the name Kitten, and I'm just putting this in the center of the lid. I'm kind of making this like pop. I figured that this would kind of add a little something to the look. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Shadow Assurance glitter glue, and I'm just spreading that out with my concealer brush. And then I'm going to take these loose glitters that I don't really remember where I got them from. It's mixed purple, and then I also added some like silver, and I think it's from Glitter Injections, but you can honestly find this on Amazon. And I'm just packing that on, and then for liner I'm using the Tarte Cheese gel liner and just doing my wing liner. And now I'm taking this similar shade by Stila. This is pretty much the same as the liquid, but it's just in like a single shadow form. Same name, Kitten, and I'm using that to open up the eyes. And then I'm elongating my eyeliner and the tear duct. Eyelashes, I'm using my lashes called Calabasas from the Fall Lash Booklet set. And for the mascara, it's the Secret Waterproof Mascara on my website. It's secretdirect.com/therealshaynaa. Link is always in the description. So now we're about to transition into the face. So I'm going in with the Too Faced primer. And I'm actually running out, and the bottle is super skinny, and there's still a lot of product left. And I'm just blending this all over my face, rubbing it in, and then I'm fanning my face to get my face tacky, so that way the foundation sticks very easily. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the shade Macchiato. I sped this up pretty fast because you guys see me apply foundation. I'm using a brush, and then afterwards I'm going to blend that in a little bit better with the beauty blender, just to like, you know, get rid of all like the lines that the brush have made on my face. And then now for concealer, I'm using both the Golden Beige Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then in the shade Nude. The Golden Beige I now use under like my eyes. This is like my main color for concealer, just because I like that yellow undertone. I really don't like a huge bright under eye. Before it was really light and there was nothing wrong with it, but I wanted to do something different, and now I just take nude and I put like a dot of it in it, and then I just blend it, and I like how it looks. So something different. I also want to try changing up my foundation because I've been using the same foundation for quite some time. Like I used to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I used to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I haven't used it in a while, but I think I should start using it because I'm using the concealer, so why not? And then afterwards, to set my under eyes, I'm using the Yvette XO slash Beauty Creations collab palette, and I'm taking this yellow shade to set under my eyes, and then the light shade next to it to set under it, just to brighten it up a tad bit on the inner corner right here. And then I went in with the bronzer. You see I use that shade a lot because it's more warm. The shade next to it is a little bit more on the cool side. So I love this bronzer, and I'm just showing you guys side by side like the difference when you contour versus when you don't contour. So definitely don't forget to contour, bronze up your face, and make sure you drag it down by your neck and your jaw and all that stuff because you want everything to be blended. And then afterwards, I'm just going to be contouring like the bottom of my chin and then my nose. Now for blush, I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow in the shade Bittersweet. And I'm using the Makeup Forever Sculpting blush, which is pretty pink. I mixed those two together and applied it on my cheeks. I kind of like to blend it in with my bronzer and just bring it up. And I also put some of it on my nose. I really wanted that pinky flush look to match with the eyes. And then I'm using some highlighter from the Yvette XO palette. I know not a lot of people like the super like out there highlight, but I do. I don't like subtle highlights. I want you to see it. I paid good money for it. I want you to see my highlight. I am now applying some shadow under, well, on my bottom lash line. The same shades that I used for like the crease, like that pinky purple and then like the light purple together. And I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Fake Awake Liner to open up the eyes, and then the Secret Waterproof Mascara for my lower lashes. I actually really like this mascara because it separates the lashes very, very well. Like, very well. And I barely have any eyelashes. For lips, I'm using the NYX Downtown Beauty 22 lip pencil. And then I went on top with this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I do not have a lipstick near me, so I don't remember the name. I don't know if it's like Primera or Primavera. I don't remember the name, but it looks like this. And then I'm using this gloss on top. It's like a purpley color. And now I'm gonna do my hair. Oh wait, not yet. I'm using the Fenty gloss, this one, like the white one. And then I'm gonna go and fix my hair and be right back. So this is the completed look. I know it's something that I normally don't do. I always go with the nude look, but I wanted to use something different because I do have a lot of color. I just kind of gravitated away from it. If you look back at my old videos, I used to always do like bright pop of lip colors, and it's just not me anymore. But I wanted to do it for this video. So thank you guys for tuning in. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at therealshaynaa. TikTok is with 2 A's at the end. And also check out my eyelashes at shaynaaalfonso.com/shop. Link will be right here. Also in the description, I am wearing my lashes Calabasas from the 4-lash booklet set. And check out my lifestyle brand website at secretdirect.com/therealshaynaa. Link will be right here, also in the description. We have health and wellness, skincare, nutrition, men care, hair care, age defying, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.